Guys, welcome back to my page. My name is Ella. I'm a lifestyle blogger in UK. So in today's video, I'm renovating my kitchen. Yes, my kitchen cabinet is having a new look today. So I started 3 days ago, mostly at night time when the kids are sleeping. I made a little video. I'm going to insert it, but most times it's chaotic because baby wakes up and I have to attend to baby, or it's late at night and I'm too tired to pick up the camera to video anything. But today it's 4 p.m. the kids are out, baby is sleeping. I'm like, let me do it. This is the last cabinet. If I don't do it, I won't do it again. So let's go into this video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. All right guys, let's do it. So the first thing I'm doing is to remove the doors. So removing the cabinet does make it easier for me to wrap it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to remove this door and give it a good wash and then wrap it. So I got the wrapping paper, or what's it called? Is it vinyl? Dcfix vinyl kitchen cabinet paper from Very, but you could get it from Amazon, or you get it from B&Q. I've seen it on B&Q, but because I wanted more quantity and I found Very doing some sales, that's why I got it from Very. But before, I've bought from B&Q. So you can either get it from B&Q. I think B&Q also sell, but they sell just one quantity, just one place, and I wanted more. I think in total I use about 7 wraps, so 7 packs that I use. Yep. So this is it. Let me take this thing out so I don't look for it when I want to fix it back. Yep. So I'm going to give it a wash and then wrap it. So let's go. So I'm using a wet rag to just scrub it. So it depends on how dirty it is. You're just scrubbing it. Right more, I'm going to use kitchen paper towel to make sure everywhere is dry. So it's dry now. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the handle. So let's go ahead and remove the handle. So I don't need the screws because the new handle has screws in them. So I'm gonna keep my screws. So you see, I've used a lot, so I've done a lot. So this is I'm keeping my screws, and then take that away. All right. Cleaning where the handle is. Where the handle. So these are the handles. I got the handles from Amazon. It was very affordable. I think it was less than £30. So the handle comes with 2 sets of screws, so I'm going to use a smaller one. So now I didn't make sure, I don't know what happened. I forgot to take the measurement of the holes. So when this handle came, the distance was a bit off. So now I have to drill under. Unfortunately, I have to drill under holes. So I'm just make sure where the new hole is going to be. This is the wrapping paper I'm using. So I'm using this and this. Yep, gold and this color. So what I'm going to do is to make sure the middle parts first. So this is where I do leave a little bit of extras, so it's better to have it too big than too small in my opinion. I think I prefer it to be too big than too small. So this 85 points, that's where I'm gonna cut off now. About what I want, so I'm going to cut the side as well. So like I said, I prefer it to be more than smaller, so let's go with this. So it has a back, a sticky back, so that's what you're going to do. So the idea is to make sure there's no air in it. But guys, there'll be air in mine, there's air bubbles everywhere. I don't mind. When you burn rice, you say, and a burnt rice you like. This is exactly what is happening here. I'm doing my best. This is the first time wrapping a kitchen, so I'm doing my best. Okay. So let's start. Let's see how it goes this time. If I can actually remove all the bubbles. Because I keep having bubbles in them. I don't know why. Am I in a rush? Am I not doing it well? So I got this thing from B&Q as well. It's a knife. I can't find a knife right now. Okay, I've seen it. Yeah. So I use the knife in trimming out excess paper. Like I told you, there's a bubble here now. Why? All right. So it's very easy to remove. If there's something you don't like, you can remove it easily with a hand dryer. So I have hand dryer. Yeah, ready to remove anything I don't like. There's a little space here.
So I found this later on that the paper was a bit tiny. It's because I have dry hands, and anytime I wash mine, and I'm always adding Vaseline. I have a Vaseline very close to the kitchen. That's why you could see all those grease and oily stain on the on the paper, the wrapping paper. But guess what, guys? It's very easy to clean. That's why I love this wrapping paper. Just add some water to your kitchen towels and you can clean up that grease. So just imagine you're cooking the kitchen, you're afraid of cooking African food, we always have oil and grease going up on our cabinet door. You don't have to worry, it's very, very easy to clean. Just take, if it's a very tough grease, that's why every time I cook I try to watch, but even if it's not every time, the grease, I don't let it stay for so long. I just try and wipe it up with towel, the kitchen towel, water and soap, and it goes off immediately. That's why I really love this wrapping paper. So don't mind the oily stain on the wallpaper. It's from my hand. I'm always using Vaseline because of my dry hands. In fact, in almost my videos you will see me after a while I'm going to apply the Vaseline again because I'm so insecure about my dry hand. So just continue watching this video, okay? Make sure to subscribe as well, like and share, and comment down below. I have lots of DIYs I did around the house. If you'd like to see more DIY videos, please comment down below and let me know. All right, see you guys. So I tried to make a very thorough video for you guys. So this is me just trying to do the second door, and the video is so long. I really don't want to bore you guys for a long time, but trust me, the kitchen is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like and share, and I'm going to give you a complete kitchen tour in my next video. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I love you guys. See you in my next video.